Dear learners, you must be eager to know about Foundational Literacy Numeracy Mission. Why this mission has been launched? What is the aim? What are its objectives? And how this mission will be implemented? In this video, we will try to find out answer to these questions. The National FLN Mission is an important step of Government of India towards ensuring that our children attain literacy and numeracy skills by class 3. There is a set deadline of 2026-27 to achieve Foundational Literacy Numeracy Mission targets. Let us first understand what is Foundational Literacy and Numeracy. Foundational literacy means oral language development, decoding, sounds and symbol relationship, reading fluency, reading comprehension and writing. Whereas foundational numeracy means developing number sense, understanding shapes and spatial relationships, measurement, data handling, etc. Now you must be thinking, why this mission? There is a strong national concern today regarding the poor learning levels of children at various stages of school education. NEP 2020 highlights that large proportion of students currently in elementary level, estimated to be over 5 crore, have not achieved foundational literacy and numeracy. In India, we have children who are first generation learners and do not have an environment of literacy and numeracy at home. Neuroscience researchers highlight that rapid and extensive brain development takes place during early years. The all-round capacities that emerge in 3 to 6 years age group are prerequisite for later success in school and life. Positive experiences received by a child at the foundational stage supports the child's lifelong learning and development. If there are learning gaps and they are not filled at the earliest, they continue to widen. As a result, children start falling behind in their learning levels and their learning outcomes may not be achieved successfully. Besides this, NEP 2020 has highlighted that attaining foundational literacy and numeracy for all children must become an immediate national mission. Hence, FLN mission has been set up under the aegis of centrally sponsored scheme of Samagra Shiksha, which is an integrated scheme of school education that covers from preschool to senior secondary level. The intent is to systematically tap this phase of child development under Nipun Bharat to overcome the learning crisis and build foundational literacy numeracy with understanding through play and activity-based approach. If we wish to implement FLN mission successfully, we must know what is the aim of the mission. The basic aim of the national mission of FLN is to enable all children to read and respond with comprehension independently, write with understanding, develop number sense, mathematical thinking, problem solving and reasoning. The focus is on holistic development of child. All children in the class should be happy, confident, thinking, learning. The major objectives of the mission are to ensure that an inclusive classroom is built by incorporating play, discovery and activity-based pedagogies linking to the daily life situations of children and formal inclusion of children's home languages. To enable children to become motivated, independent and engaged readers and writers with comprehension, possessing sustainable reading and writing skills. To make children understand reasoning in the domains of number, measurement, shapes and enable them independent in problem solving by way of numeracy and spatial skills. To ensure availability and effective use of high quality and culturally responsive teaching learning materials in children's familiar home language. To focus on continuous capacity building of teachers, head teachers, academic resource persons and educational administrators. To actively engage with all stakeholders, that is teachers, parents, students and community and the policy makers for building strong foundations for lifelong learning. To ensure assessment as of and for learning through portfolios, group and collaborative work, project work, quizzes, role plays, games, oral presentations, short tests, etc. To ensure tracking of learning levels of all students. To lay emphasis and prioritize foundational learning, the program will be implemented in mission mode with the use of and strengthening of existing mainstream structures. The Department of School Education and Literacy, Ministry of Education will be the implementing agency at the national level and will be headed by a mission director. Thank you.